Hello everyone, Andre here again, and in this video I will be showing you the latest feature that LeadsLeap has brought to the users. And in this video I will be showing you that they have introduced a feature called side-by-side tutorial. So what this means is that LeadsLeap will be able to guide users, especially new users to this platform, on how to use the sections that you can find on the sidebar, and each section will have its own tutorial. So for example, if I do click on this link here which says tutorial, a side bar will appear, and you will see all the areas that LeadsLeap will guide you through. So for new users, this will be very useful. And if we look into each link, the steps are quite detailed, and this will be easy for anyone who just hopped on to a brand new account to understand what LeadsLeap is about. So moving on, let's close this sidebar and let's see for the other sections. Supposing you need to know how to post credit ads in the advertising section, you will come to the area, and of course there will be a tutorial. So let's explore what this is all about. And as you can see, the whole list of questions that one will need to ask to get more information and to understand how this part of LeadsLeap will work on credit ads, on how to post credit ads. So how does credit ad work? It's explained here. Then who can post credit ads? All members, of course, and you can run through each and every question or area that you want to know more about in LeadsLeap. This will also apply to Post Pro ads, and there's a tutorial, questions, and let's go to one and see. Oh, this is a good explanation. Everything is detailed and everything is clear and easy to understand. And even how to resize. Yeah. So, alright. And the next section is on, let's say, the link tracker. Of course, there's a small question mark here with a very brief explanation of what link tracker is all about. But if you do go to track links, for example, yeah, you can go right to the tutorials, and a full list of guides will be listed here. Yeah, how to uncloak and uncloak my track link. Everything is explained. Should I cloak and uncloak my track link? What is cloaking? Explained in detail. And what is pop-up? How is it useful? Of course, everything is explained there. Alright, so that's for tracking links section, and there are tutorials for each of these sections: list manager, email series, broadcast, blog to broadcast, YouTube to broadcast, the page builder section, under the page manager, funnel builder, funnel manager, and the rest. So if we do go into PPC earnings of the ads, the LeadsLeap ads, here you have the tutorial and the explanations of what PPC earning is all about. And the LeadsLeap team have done a fantastic job of going into each and every section, explaining what benefits that any user will get through utilizing LeadsLeap for their marketing business and using it as a platform for their um, advertisement and promotion. So LeadsLeap is free to join, and best that you upgrade to Pro, because in Pro you do have a lot of flexibility in using LeadsLeap as your all-in-one marketing platform. So I'll head on to my dashboard, and just to let you know, my link to join LeadsLeap is in the description below. Do join and explore this wonderful site that I've been a member of since 2010, if I remember correctly, and it has brought me a lot of traffic to my websites, to my um, affiliate links and other promotions that have been going on for quite some time, and I'm very satisfied with LeadsLeap. And there are around I think more than 120,000 members on LeadsLeap, so they are um, getting a good deal with what LeadsLeap is providing, uh, because it's a all-in-one marketing platform. Hope you got some value out of this quick review of LeadsLeap side-by-side tutorial feature. And when you join, do explore more and just play around with the other areas, get yourself used to the site, and make use of the tutorials that have been wonderfully put together by the LeadsLeap team. So yeah, please subscribe to this channel if you aren't subscribed already. Do give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and there'll be more to come, videos like this and videos about other platforms that I am currently involved with. So take care and have a good day ahead. Thank you.